Here's a video of short clips that I managed to record at Westfield Mt Gravatt. First is to a Schindler 5500 MRL, which goes to the grey car park. Schindler 5500 just outside the town square, next to Time Zone. This one's super busy. Go to see. It's lift number 4, 2,500 kilograms, 33 persons. Similar to the other Schindler 5500, they've replaced the indicator with LCD and directories on there. There's yet another Schindler 5500. It's a weird button. Oh no. I do not like these indicators. They're just too basic. Too basic. Next is to a Orona 3G MRL at Yamcha Cuisine. Fingers crossed this lift works at Yamcha. Oh, it does. It's a 2014 Orona 3G lift. Yes, it's finally working. Finally, after all these months, it finally works. Light flashing. Yes, it does. Does the announcement work? Let's go to 2.
Doors closing.
Yes, it does. 630 kilograms, 8 persons.
Lift going up.
Thinks it's in 2013. I'm so happy this lift finally works. After all these years.
Restaurant.
And now to a KONE S MonoSpace lift at Town Square. KONE S MonoSpace at Westfield Mt Gravatt.
Going up.
Alright, let's go to 4. Lift number 17, 2,000 kilograms, 26 persons, and it was installed in 2018. Look at these glass views. Weird LCD indicator.
4th floor.
And it's green. Green KDS fixtures, which is rare. Instagram picture. Red KDS.
Going down.
Instagram version of this KONE S MonoSpace Scenic. I can't believe that has a red KDS button, whereas the entire lift is mostly green. Just looking at the
2nd floor.
LCD, here's the KONE KDS indicator. That's it. And now to a Liftronic Traction lift at the markets as well as Harvey Norman. This lift has original floor numberings before the 2014 extension. This is a re-recording of this Liftronic at Westfield Mt Gravatt. 2,000 kilograms, 26 persons. Has the original floor numbering for the 2014 extension. Westfield Mt Gravatt. It's a huge cab. 2,000 kilograms, 26 persons.
Lower ground floor.